Here's some Fighting for Armistice trivia. Subscribe. Which year marked the signing of the armistice that ended WWI? Is it A, 1916, B, 1935, C, 1918, or D, 1920? The correct answer is C, 1918. Who was the U.S. president during WWI? Is it A, Theodore Roosevelt, B, Woodrow Wilson, C, Franklin D. Roosevelt, or D, Warren G. Harding? The correct answer is B, Woodrow Wilson. What conflict is often referred to as the Great War? Is it A, American Civil War, B, World War I, C, World War II, or D, Korean War? The correct answer is B, World War I. What armistice date is commemorated on Armistice Day? Is it A, October 15th, B, December 25th, C, November 11, or D, September 4th? The correct answer is C, November 11. Which empire dissolved after WWI? Is it A, Persian Empire, B, Spanish Empire, C, British Empire, or D, Austro-Hungarian Empire? The correct answer is D, Austro-Hungarian Empire. Which frontline battle was fought in 1916? Is it A, Battle of Ypres, B, Battle of Gallipoli, C, Battle of the Somme, or D, Battle of Tannenberg? The correct answer is C, Battle of the Somme. Who was the French Prime Minister during WWI? Is it A, François Mitterrand, B, Léon Blum, C, Édouard Daladier, or D, Georges Clemenceau? The correct answer is D, Georges Clemenceau. Which organization replaced the League of Nations? Is it A, European Union, B, African Union, C, United Nations, or D, North Atlantic Treaty? The correct answer is C, United Nations. Which British ship was sunk, igniting U.S. involvement in WI? Is it A, RMS Lusitania, C, USS Arizona, or D, HMS Bismarck? The correct answer is A, RMS Lusitania. Which nation withdrew from WWI in 1917? Is it A, Germany, B, Russia, C, France, or D, Japan? The correct answer is B, Russia. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.